This is problem number 15 from the June 2017 Geometry Regents exam. So we've got a line segment. I've gone ahead and drawn it here from R to W, and it says that point P is on that line such that the ratio from R to P to W is 2 to 3. And we're trying to find the coordinates of point P. So this is an example of partitioning a segment. One strategy to figuring this out is to visualize it as and form a right-angled triangle. If I did this line here. And based on the points that we know, we can find out this horizontal and vertical distance of the triangle. Because we know the x value at R is -4, and at W is 6, so that's a distance of 4 plus 6, that's 10. And then for the y distance, it starts at 5, ends up at 20. That's a distance of 15. So a strategy here is to try to choose one of these distances, for example, 10, and we'll try to split it into so that it has a ratio of 2 to 3. So think other ratios of 2 to 3 could be 4 to 6, right? That's just simplified. Another example would be 6 to 9 or 8 to 12. See, all of those ratios simplified to be 2 to 3. Now, the one that I noticed that it could be useful here is the ratio 4 to 6, because 4 plus 6 is 10. So we could try visualizing splitting this line here, where this distance is 4 and this distance is 6. And so what we've just done is that we have split this line segment to have the ratio 2 to 3. Okay, but of course what we're looking for is the point up here. Now we do know the x value of that point. We find it by adding 4, that distance there, to the x value of the point R, which is -4. And of course, -4 plus 4 gets us 0. So 0 is the x coordinate of our answer. Looking at our multiple choice options, you can already tell our answer is option number 2. It's the only one that has an x value of 0. But in case you're wondering, to figure out the y value, what you do is we have two similar triangles here. We have this small one with a horizontal distance of 4. We don't know the vertical distance, but we do know that this triangle is similar to the larger one, which has these dimensions. So we can do some cross multiplication here to find out that missing distance. So we know the ratio from 4 to 10 is going to equal the distance of the unknown, so we'll call it x, to 15. If we cross multiply here, we get 4 times 15, which is 60, equals 10 times x, which means x equals 6. So the distance, that missing distance here, is 6. And since the y value at R is 5, and we add 6 more, that would give us a y coordinate of 11, which matches the answer that we got. So kind of a complicated process, but I hope that was helpful, and that's all for the video. Thanks for visiting JD's Regents Preparation.